We have some late season or early season, I guess you want to call it, rider news, and it's Coty Shock has joined ClubMX or the Muck Off ClubMX, whatever you want to call it. He's racing a Yamaha this year. After the last few years racing for Phoenix Honda, apparently well, not apparently, they did drop him this year. And he said, quote, "I am overwhelmed. I'm already training at the best place in the world and really had no expectations for this to happen. They let me borrow a bike and help me get more gear to keep going, but never said they were working on a ride for me. Now I get to ride their bike, which is a freaking rocket ship. It is hard to put into words how grateful I am, but they know I am going to prove them right. I'll be working my ass off to pay them back with results. When one door closes, another one opens, and this one takes me to the big time." And it does. I mean, ClubMX is a great team, and that's the release or press quote, whatever you want to call it, from Brandon Haas, the ClubMX team owner. So if you want to pause and read that, it's longer than I feel like reading. It's a good one though. It's actually a pretty good statement, and it says a lot about the team that they're just going to here ride a practice bike. We'll find you some gear so you can keep training, keep in shape after being released or dropped, whatever you want to call it, and then watching him and just saying, hey, he's actually pretty good. Let's give him a ride. And especially for a whole team, if you read the thing, it says the team voted on it. It's not just like the boss says, hey guys, this is going to be more work for you, do it. It's a unanimous vote. Everyone said yes. Apparently, so they like what they're seeing, and he's probably fast on the track, and it's cool to see. For one guy to lose a ride, and then for another team to just say, "Here, have some, have a bike, have some gear, and go turn some laps, and stay fit." To, "Hey, you look good. We're going to give you a ride." It's cool for the team. I mean, you never hear anything bad from Club MX. They're just seem to be an all around good team, but hopefully he does well. Hopefully the team gets paid back for this. Not paid back, but gets some results for their work for this. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, how well do you think he's gonna do? I don't know what coast he's racing. I don't know anything else, but being on a Yamaha on the Club MX team, how well do you think he does? Is this a good move for him, bad move, whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.